Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make leg warmers using a discarded fleece t-shirt. First, measure the length from the ankle to the knee, but I think you can do whatever length you want. I'll make it 40 centimeters long. Also, check your knee circumference. My knee circumference is about 36 centimeters. Then arrange the prepared fleece t-shirt and draw a horizontal length of the knee circumference plus 14 cm. It's including 1 cm seam allowance on both sides. I drew 50 cm. Next, draw a vertical length of 32 cm. Then cut out the rectangle. Now sew the side seams together. And overlock the seam allowance at the top. Fold the top seam allowance 2 cm and sew. At this time, leave a hole of 4 cm. Now, cut the 0.8 cm elastic band to the length of the knee circumference. Then attach a clothespin to the end of the E-band and throw it the hole. Tie the ends of the E-band together or sew. Pull the band on both sides to adjust the band so that it does not clump together. And finally, sew the hole. If you turn the fabric inside out, you can easily complete the leg warmers. If the video was helpful, please press the like and subscribe button. Then we will see you in the next video. Bye!